Hello, little chef. Welcome to the yummiest kitchen adventure. Today, we are going to learn tasty word about food and cooking. Are you ready to stir, bake, and sizzle with me? Let's go. Our first word is kitchen. Say it with me. Kitchen. K I T C H E N Kitchen.
A kitchen is a room in a house or restaurant where people cook food.
Our next word is stove. Say it with me. Stove. S T O V E. Stove.
A stove is a machine in the kitchen that we use to cook food. It gets hot and helps us fry, boil, and grill tasty meals.
Our next word is spoon. Say it with me. Spoon. S P O O N. Spoon.
A spoon is a tool we use to eat food or stir things while cooking.
Our next word is cake. Say it with me. Cake. C A K E. Cake.
A cake is a soft, tasty food we bake and decorate to celebrate happy times.
Our next word is pan. Say it with me. Pan. P A N. Pan.
A pan is a flat, round cooking pot with a handle. We use it to fry, cook, or heat food on the stove.
Our next word is bake. Say it loud. Bake. B A K E. Bake.
Bake means to cook food inside an oven using heat. We bake things like cakes, cookies, and bread. The oven gets hot, and the food turns soft and yummy.
Our next word is boil. Say and repeat together. Boil. B O I L. Boil.
Boil means to heat water or liquid until it gets very, very hot and makes bubbles. We can also boil food like eggs, potatoes, or soup in hot water.
Our next word is stir. Can you say loudly? Stir. S T I R. Stir.
Stir means to move food or liquid around in a bowl or pan using a spoon or stick. We stir to mix things together.
Our next word is grill. Say it with me. Grill. G R I L L. Grill.
Grill means to cook food on a metal rack over heat. It makes food crispy, brown, and tasty. We can grill sandwiches, vegetables, or meat.
Our next word is snack. Say it with me. Snack. S N A C K. Snack.
A snack is a small food we eat between meals. It's something yummy like fruits, cookies, or chips.
Can you recall the words? Let's find them in our story.
Nia loved helping her mom in the kitchen. First, they decided to bake a yummy chocolate cake. Then, Ria helped stir the batter. Round and round, she giggled, holding the wooden spoon. And smiled as the cake went into the oven. Next, they boiled some milk to make hot chocolate. Little bubbles popped in the pan, and Ria watched carefully. Before dinner, they ate a tasty snack with her brother. They are happy. In the evening, Ria helped mom grill vegetables. They sizzled on the pan and made the kitchen smell yummy. She is so happy and said, "I love cooking days."
Yay! That was so much fun today. We learned 10 kitchen words. Did you enjoy learning with me? See you soon with more fun words and story. Bye bye, kitchen buddies.